Need a replacement part?
Step 1. Find your model and serial number. On wood stoves, it's usually on the back. On gas stoves or fireplaces, near the gas valve. On pellet stoves, under the hopper lid. Step 2. Once you have the model number, go to stovepartsunlimited.com for Mountain View Hearth Products. Use our parts finder to match parts by field type, brand, and model. You can even filter by part type. Step 3. If you're still not sure, no problem. There's a parts request link above the search results. Enter the model and serial number you found earlier, and our trained techs will help you find the right part. Mountain View Hearth Products. Get the right part, get the job done. Trusted by thousands of DIY homeowners. Find your part today.